Hello guys. I am Rollins Any Rider / Gamer. Welcome back to my video. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular notifications. Today I am going to play the new Battle Royale game which is called Cyber Hunter. It was launched this year. I am going to share with you the experiences and the features and dynamics of this game because its gameplay feels very much same as PUBG, and PUBG lovers will surely like to try out this game. This game is very much similar to PUBG and Free Fire in terms of its gameplay and characteristics. Since I am a hardcore PUBG gamer, I could not resist to play this game when I saw it in Play Store. As I started playing, I enjoyed the gameplay immediately. The theme of this game, Cyber Hunter, is dive into ultimate survival experience. Everything is extreme in this game. Extreme parkour experience, extreme character customization, and it has stunning vehicle collection. I was amazed by it. The graphics was amazing, and I even felt it better than Free Fire and other games. The color of the tree leaves are just awesome, as you can see it in my gameplay. The controls are pretty much similar to PUBG Mobile. Cyber Hunter is my next awesome mobile battle royale game, and you have auto and manual options for shooting. Either way you like, I play with manual controls since I am a PUBG lover. The controls are easy to use, graphics are beautiful, and the weapons are really futuristic in this game. So guys, let's just watch this gameplay and enjoy. As you guys can see, my character is just shooting the enemies insanely, and the character have different abilities in this game. You can block enemies shooting by some blockades, you can swing in air by double tapping the jump option, and you can also climb the houses like Spider-Man and double roll on the ground. You unlock different abilities in this game with your level up. It is just so cool, right guys? And it is 1x100 battle royale game just like PUBG Mobile. You have 4 members including you in a squad just like PUBG. So what you guys think about it in your views? Is it better or just cool like PUBG? Comment down in my comment section. The beautiful color of objects in this game make it so good, and look how I swing in air to a distance by double tapping on jump from a higher position. Look at the vehicle options to choose guys. It's a Lamborghini and I am driving around it with my teammate. I have never found a freaking Lamborghini in a battle royale to drive around in a battle royale game before until we go to some distance, and oh, that was funny and unexpected. The graphics are so good in this game because you can see the famous graphic and video while you load the game. They must be a vital part of this game. I hope you guys found out the funny part now. Off we flew in air to land in the beautiful river. After a few distance, I took screenshots of the place with beautiful spring season trees and a temple gate, and kept playing the game, shooting any enemies I found on my way. This game also has different emotes and dance moves too. Once again guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like the video and share it to your friends. This video is solely made for you guys who love to play different games, and I need your support to keep making such fun videos. Enjoy my gameplay.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know.
After a few minutes of gameplay, fighting the enemies and escaping the danger zone, me and my squad made it to the safe zone. We were the only surviving players left, and we finally won the match of this Battle Royale Cyber Hunter game, and I was the MVP of the match. I was lucky that I could share my win with you guys. If you want to play it too, then just download it from the Play Store and enjoy the game. And once again, I want all of you guys who watched this video to like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in next amazing video. Love you all. Peace.